Hello. Are you open now?
Yes, please come inside here.
I need a fresh haircut.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I just walked in.
You can sit and wait.
How long is the wait?
Only about 10 short minutes.
How much is the cut?
It is 20 paper dollars.
I will pay with cash.
We only take paper money.
Where can I sit down?
Sit on that black sofa.
I will read a book.
I will call you soon.
Thank you for your help.
Are you ready for haircut?
Yes, I am completely ready.
Sit in the big chair.
This chair is very soft.
I will put this cape.
Fasten it around my neck.
It is nicely fastened now.
Let us start the work.
I will start cutting now.
How do you want it?
Make it short on sides.
Do you use a machine?
Yes, use the hair clipper.
What about the top hair?
Leave it a little long.
Should I use the scissors?
Yes, cut top with scissors.
Do you want a fade?
Yes, a very clean fade.
How much should I cut?
Just cut 1 inch off.
Do you part your hair?
I part it on right.
I see your natural part.
Do not cut it too short.
I will be very careful.
Take your time with it.
Look straight in the mirror.
The mirror is very clean.
Keep your head completely still.
I will not move now.
The sides are looking good.
You work very fast today.
I have much experience here.
That is very good news.
Should I wash your hair?
Yes, please wash it now.
Lean your head back here.
The water is very warm.
Is the water temperature good?
Yes, it is perfectly warm.
I will use good shampoo.
It smells like green apples.
Now sit up very slowly.
Let me dry my face.
Do you need beard trim?
Yes, make my beard short.
Should I use the razor?
No, use the machine only.
I will make it neat.
Keep the mustache hair long.
I will comb it down.
Do not cut my lip.
I am a safe barber.
The beard looks much better.
I will brush your neck.
The small hairs are gone.
I will dry your head.
Use the warm hair dryer.
Your hair is completely dry.
I feel very fresh now.
Do you want hair gel?
Just a little bit, please.
I will rub it in.
Make it point up high.
I will use the comb.
Comb it to the right.
How does it look now?
Can I see the back?
Here is a hand mirror.
Hold it behind my head.
Look in the big mirror.
The back looks very clean.
Are the sides short enough?
The sides are absolutely perfect.
Do you like the top?
The top length is great.
I will take cape off.
Do not drop hair down.
I shook the hair off.
You did a great job.
You look like new man.
I feel like new man.
Step down from the chair.
I will walk to counter.
The counter is over there.
Thank you for the cut.
That will be $20.
I will pay paper cash.
We only take paper bills.
Here is a 50 bill.
I will get your change.
Give me $30 back.
Here are 3 10 bills.
Here is $5 tip.
Thank you for paper tip.
You earned the extra cash.
Come back in 1 month.
I will come back soon.
Do you want business card?
Yes, give me one card.
Call this number for appointment.
I will call next time.
Have a very good week.
Enjoy your day at work.
See you later, my friend.
Goodbye to you, good barber.
Walk safely on the street.
The sun is shining today.
It is good weather outside.
Take care of yourself now.
I will see you soon.
Thank you for everything today.